To create a CDS view, we need to connect to the ABAP system from HANA Studio or Eclipse, and we need to be in the ABAP perspective. I have already connected to L4X client 400 system, and I'm already in ABAP perspective. To create a CDS view, we can follow the navigation path, right click on the package, follow new, other ABAP repository objects, scroll down till core data services, expand it and select a data definition and click next. Give the name of the CDS, and click next, and specify the transport request if the system needs it, meaning if you're creating the object in some other package apart from local object or the local package. I will click next, and out of the templates I will select the define view template because I want to create a very simple CDS view. Depending on the type of CDS view we want to create, we can select the appropriate template here. For this demo purpose, I will select define view template and click finish. And I see the code like what we are seeing on the screen on the editor. The lines starting with ABAP catalog or at the rate are called annotations, and these annotations enrich the definition with metadata. There are a lot of other annotations. However, for this simple CDS, we're going to use these annotations, and out of which the first one, which is ABAP catalog.sql view name, is a mandatory annotation. We need to specify the name of the view that will be created on the database against this annotation. I'll just copy the name of the CDS view and remove the underscores. Next, we need to change the data source name with the table or the view from which we will be creating this CDS view. So I will change this to a table name. I'll select S custom, which is the demo customer table, and I need to specify the list of fields which will be part of the CDS here. Either I can keep typing the fields, or I can simply press Ctrl plus space for the code completion and select the fields whichever I want as part of this CDS view. I'll select insert all fields, and I'll simply remove these fields so that I don't use all the fields. And there are two lines starting with the word key. The keyword key indicates that these fields would be the keys of the view that will be created. So with above catalog.preserve key true or false, we can specify our own keys also as part of the CDS. Now the definition is ready to be saved and activated. I can click the save button here or simply press Ctrl plus S to save it. And then I can activate by clicking the activate button or by pressing Ctrl plus F3. Okay, the CDS view is activated. I'll expand this core data service node here, and data definition, I see the CDS view here, the entity, and These are the entity and the database view that is created. I can do a right click on the CDS and click open with data preview just to see the data. So I see the fields or the columns specified in that view along with the data. Now let's create a very simple ABAP program to consume this CDS view. I'll copy the name of the CDS because this is what we're going to use in the program. And to create the program, I will right click the package, follow new, other ABAP repository objects, scroll till source code library and select ABAP program. Give the name. I'll click next and finish. We're going to write very simple ABAP statements just to get some data out of that view and write it out. I'll start with the select statement. Now my program's ready. I'll save it and activate it. Control F3 and execute it by pressing F8. We see the output here. That completes the demo on creation of a simple CDS view and consumption of that CDS view in ABAP program.